What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today, my friends. My friends, today we're here for a great day. Close to $4,000. I actually made a little bit more than that with another account, about $4,000 in this account today, guys, and we absolutely just crushed it. And I've been talking to you guys all week and last week about this sell-off, and we finally got it today, and we were rewarded, guys. So first and foremost, thank you for following along. Thank you for coming here every single day and showing me your support. And I'm just so happy that we were able to bank together, guys. And that made me really happy. All right. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to break down the trades. We were also able to hit 2,781 on Cisco, 1,774 on Roku from day trades. So I'll be walking you guys through that step by step, showing you everything and just making sure that you're ready to go and give you an update on the market. All right. So if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. All right. So let's go ahead here, guys. I want to talk about a few things and let's actually go to the Twitter. So on the weekend, guys, I sent this out. This was my thought process. And I just want to walk you through, give you some things that I look for on the charts. And I'm just going to walk you through. So this was the three topping wicks pattern that we saw, aka the shotgun, where we had 1, 2, 3 wicks going into this week, right? So as you guys know, I've been short since last week, but let me walk you through the concept, right? And I'll walk you through this post. So I said, SPY, last week we broke out the inside week. I went short and I'm still holding my short swing. We now have one of my new setups, the shotgun, 2 weeks in a row with huge bearish wicks. I'm short as long as we don't break last week's high. Okay. So this all started back when we had this inside bar, right? And then we ended up going short. And then we could see here, guys, if we visually look here, we can see so much short pressure. All right. Hit me with a 1. Do you see that? You see short, right? There's so many wicks coming in. So that's one of the reasons why I wanted to continue the short play. Okay. And we were rewarded today, guys. We were rewarded for it. So it's always important when you're swing trading, look at the weekly chart to get a better understanding of what is going on. And so I posted this that I was going to continue to short. And actually, guys, I did a post for the Trading Wars Army. Okay. So if you haven't joined the community, guys, it's literally $4.99 a month to join the Trading Wars Army. And I posted this swing trade setup yesterday. Okay. And let me walk you through this now with futures. So I like to short using futures. Okay. So our short level coming in was 40, 62, 50. So let me just go ahead. So I posted this for everyone yesterday, 40, 62, 50. Okay. So let's go ahead and write that down. And I'm just going to show you why. 62, 50. Okay. So this trade was entered. So the first time we broke this trade here, guys, was Tuesday morning, 3:15 a.m. So this is what I'm talking about, the importance of being able to trade futures, because we're able to enter this short trade right here. We're able to enter this short trade after hours, guys. That's the key, because when the market opened, okay, so the market opened today over here. The market opened over here. So by time the market opened, you already missed some of the move. So there's the open. Okay. So from our entry to the market open was already 17 points. So let's be conservative. Let's say 10 points. Okay. That's $500 right there on a contract. So do you guys understand what I'm trying to explain here? Hit me with a 12. So the short, we're able to get in overnight. So when we come to SPY, here's the regular trading hours today on SPY, we're already in it short. Okay. And I was shorting since last week using the swing trade approach. So this is how you could take the analysis from the higher time frame. Okay. You're short in a swing trade, and then you can add short to a day trade using futures, get in before the market is even open. All right. So like I said, Trading Wars Army, $4.99 if you guys want to join, lots of value. We also have been going through this in our Discord live. Okay. So we go through this live every single day. Okay. So really nice right there with the shorts. I also took a long scalp this morning. So right here, I took a long scalp. I got about 2 points right up here on this little push. Nothing to be too crazy about, but at the same time, I'll take as much money as I can. There's nothing wrong with making money. Hit me with the 1 if you agree with that. Hit me with the 2 if you don't. Sometimes, guys, the reason I bring this up, it might sound funny to you, some of you think that you don't deserve to make money. That's just the way it is because of the programs that you've been brought up on, or all the fear that's the media promotes to you. Some of you say, you know what? I don't deserve to make money. I'm not intelligent. I don't have the skills. I don't have the tools. You need to wipe that out of your head right now, because you can make as much money as you want as long as you're willing to put in the work. Everything comes with a price, guys. If you want to make money, you got to put in the work. Okay. So that one was really, really, really nice right there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through this trade on Roku. Okay. I'm going to walk you through this trade on Roku that we took. This one was fully automated. Okay. This one was fully automated. So what I'm going to do is, as we go through this trade in Roku, okay, let me ask you guys, do you want to do Cisco Systems, which is 2,781 in profit, or do you want to do Roku 1,774? And I'll walk you through. Well, let's do one of them today because I have dinner plans. Hit me with a 13 for Cisco. Hit me with a 14 for Roku. Which one do you guys want? $14. Okay, I see some 14s coming in here. See, I was going to do Cisco, but I feel like a lot of you guys don't even trade that, so there's really no point. I see a mixed here. Okay, so we're going to do... Okay, let me copy this. Let's do Cisco together. Okay, that right there. Okay, so we'll do Cisco together, and I'll walk you through this. So the first thing is, this trade was fully automated. All right, it was a fully automated trade. So hit me with a 6. Are you automating your trades? Hit me with a 7 if no, and it's fine if you're not. But I want to show you a tool that I use with automation, and I think that it could add a lot of value to you guys. Okay, so this trade on Cisco, I put the order in the night before. Okay, and that's it. And I let it do its thing. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is, let's go to the guide. All right, give me 1 sec. Okay, so I'm going to stop sharing my screen. I'm just going to go up and pull up the guide here. 1 second. Let me get the guide. And then we'll read together. I really think, guys, a lot of you guys struggle with the emotions. So why not just take the emotions out of it? And the way you take the emotions out of it, guys, is through automation. Really, that's what it comes down to at the end of the day. And then when you feel comfortable, you can come back in. Okay, I'm just going to copy and paste this in the chat right now. Where you guys at? 1 second here. Okay. So I posted that in the chat, and I'm going to pull it up here, and then we'll go through it together. Okay. All right. There we go. All right. Okay. So I got there. Just hit me with a 10 when you're on the guide, and I'll talk to you about how I automate these orders. Okay. So pretty much this is it right here. Okay. So condition. So we say modify. So whenever you put in an order type, you can always add a condition to it. Okay. So that's important. All right. So that's, if you want to do options, you need to know the conditional feature. That's very important. Okay. But let's go back to this trade now. Let's look at Cisco. So the first thing was, we posted Cisco last night for free on the YouTube. So right now, guys, if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe and hit the like button, because I'm telling you, I've made enough money on these picks in the first 2 months of the year where I don't need to trade for the rest of the year. Okay. And I'm being honest with that. I could just stop, but I'm going to keep trading because I have it automated. So it doesn't hurt me to take those trades, but I posted this here. Make sure you subscribe right now. Let's go ahead and let's look at Cisco. So we wanted to short at 50.68. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and put that level in right there. 50.68 right there. Okay. So that's our short. So I'm going to put this in red. I'll hit the replay. And what I'm going to do is, first we need to understand, why do we want to take this trade? So I'm here on the 5 minute. So this right here, guys, is the big box, small box strategy. All right. So it's one of my go-to plays for day trading, automated, right? So what we do is, we have this rectangle. This right here, my friends, is the price action from Wednesday, February 15th. Okay. And then this right here is the price action from Friday. All right. And remember, the market was closed on Monday. So based on this right here, is the price action expanding or contracting? Hit me with the 1 for expanding. Hit me with the 2 for contracting. And what we're going to do here is, we can visually draw how this range is getting tighter. See that? And this right here, guys, creates this flag, pennant, whatever you want to call it. Okay. So the price action is getting tighter and tighter and tighter and tighter. And what we're looking to do is take a breakout. Okay. So that's how we made 2,781 on Cisco. We shorted right here, 50.68. Okay. I shared right here on the YouTube, and I also shared right here on the Twitter. Okay. So right here. Just make sure I show you guys this right there. Okay. So right here, here's our first candle. Boom. Right there. So we're filled right off the bat. So I put this order in the night before. Okay. And for the stops and the targets, I have them in here. So let me go ahead and put this in. So our stop loss was 50.92, and the puts, 50 puts, target 50.46. So these are my plans, but you don't have to use these ones. You can use the levels and create whatever risk you want to handle, right? Because everybody has different risk appetite. So the stop loss was 50.92. So let's go ahead and put that in. 50.92 right there. So you can see I posted this yesterday. Okay. So here we go. We'll get filled. And what are we really trying to do here? Well, look, the box starts down here. Okay. So we're hoping to get to the bottom of the box and break out, right? So here we go. First 5-minute bar, boom. We're filled short. Okay. There's our sell-off. There's our box. And let me fast forward. Boom. See that, guys? Do you see how crazy that is? So we break through. We come actually right to the bottom of the box, and that's where we stop. And guess what? That's where my final target was. See that? So that's so that right there, hit me with a 14 if your mind is blown off with that. It's actually crazy, guys. When you look at the way the market moves, a lot of times people think it's like, it's random, oh, blah, blah, it's rigged, it's rigged. But look how clean that setup is. There's our flag. There's our trigger. There's our breakout. Took us to the bottom of the box, right? So you have your target, you have your entry, you have your stop. And look at that clean risk to reward. We're risking this much to make this much, right? So that's beautiful. That one right there, really, really nice. So like I said, guys, make sure to subscribe, make sure you follow the channel, etc. Okay. All right. So right now, where are we right now? So the easy money has been made, right? We agree with that. I still think there's room to come down a little bit, and I'm still holding some of my shorts. Let's double click here. And let's zoom in here. So the last swing low we had was right here. That low was 37.8850. Okay. And the high right here was 42.0850. Okay. So check this out. We came really close to the 50%, which is right around the 4,000 level. All right. So we've been short since over here. Okay. So right now we do still have some more room to come down to the 618. So that's where I'm going to look for some more profits. At this point, this trade is risk-free for me, right? Because I'm up so much. I took some profits. I have runners left on. So, you know, the runners could go back to zero and it won't hurt me. Okay. Hit me with the 6 if that makes sense. That's very important. You need to lock in some profits, right? You don't just hold everything forever. So I already trimmed some profits. Happy with that. And now I see, hey, we have some more potential here to come down here. But really and truly, guys, if I look at this in the bigger picture here on this weekly, if we wanted to come and then if the market wanted to crash, okay, and come all the way down here, I'd make probably close to 100K on the shorts, on the futures. Okay, so do you see how I'm positioning myself here? I'm positioning myself. If it wants to crash, if you want to do whatever you want to do, I'm already in. I took the risk up here, but notice I took the risk up here when the risk was lower than me chasing right now. Hit me with a 12 if you agree. If I chase now, it's a lot harder for me to get a good gain, but I took the risk up here. And remember, we've been following this live on the YouTube every single day, so make sure you guys subscribe. All right. And again, just to show some context, we're right on the 786 as well. So I really like this, guys, and I'm going to let this play out. And I'm going to post some pics right now on the YouTube and the Twitter. So please make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. And, you know, we're going to keep going here, guys. We're going to keep going. Trust me, I have a lot of education here at tradingwars.com. Go to the resources page. Everything I talked to you about, guys, I've done it in a video format. Here was the trade of the week last week. I'm telling you guys, honestly speaking, go through these educational series, quick guides, and you let me know. You let me know if you think that, you know, it's added value to you. All right. And what I'm going to do right now, let's go ahead and scan for some blue raindrops on Trendspider. And see, this is how I get my picks, right? I scan every single day. I don't expect there to be any, you know, any crazy picks because the market already had that big sell off, right? So the work, right? So scanning, let's go back to Cisco, right? So if I type in Cisco in Trendspider, you'll see that Cisco had the setup yesterday, which was the inside bar. So that was on Friday. You see that? Hit me with a 15 if that makes sense. So that's why I run the scans, I find the setups, and then I post it for you guys, okay? And look, if you're already a Trendspider customer and you want to get my scans and my indicators, just let them know and they'll move you over to the Trading Wars affiliate, or you can get 35% off with this code, okay? But real nice, man. I really, really like that. Anything else? As always, guys, tradingwars.com. Check me out. You can sign up right here on the main page. You know what, guys? Do you guys think that today was such a good day? You know, we hit a lot of money. Do you guys think we should do a deal? You think we should do a deal today? Hit me with a 10 if you think we should do a deal, or should we wait? You want to wait till March? It's up to you guys. I always get yelled at for giving out deals, but whenever I have a good day, I want everybody to have a good day. Look at that. That's clean. Okay. So this is what we're going to do. If you guys want a deal, this is what I'm going to do. If you want right now, tradingwars.com, you can go ahead and purchase any one of my 3 books. Okay. So this book right here, SPY Options Mastery, this is the one that talks about futures. Okay. And you can learn how I trade futures. Instead of getting 1 month for free, you get 2 months, 24-hour flash sale. That's it. Okay. 24 hours. That's it. Instead of getting 30 days in the Discord, you'll get 60 days plus my indicators for life. And you'll get this beautiful book, guys. Put a lot of work into this, a lot of detail. You check it out. Okay. If you want to. Otherwise, no worries at all. Just hit the like button. That's all I need. Hit the like button. That's all I need, my friends. All right. I'm going to go ahead and post the picks right after this. That's pretty much it. I hope you learned something. And don't sleep on the picks, guys. Don't sleep. Paper trade them. If you're not comfortable, just paper trade them. You don't lose anything paper trading. Paper trade and see how you feel, okay? And I'm looking forward to seeing you guys tomorrow. I want another red day. Honestly, I want red days. And during the day, if we have to day trade long, I'll day trade long. But I want more red days. I know that kind of sounds wrong, but I've already positioned myself short. So, you know, before we go, let's just do a quick survey. How many of you are bullish on the market? Hit me with a 1, hit me with a 2 if you're bearish. Just to know, I'm not necessarily bullish or bearish. I don't care. What I am is a trader. Okay. And I just want to make money. That's it. You could go long, it could go sideways, go up, down, left, or right. I just want to make money, right? But I'm always interested to see my audience and what you guys think. You know, I know a lot of people are bearish, but we'll see. If this thing turns around tomorrow, guys, I've already made money. So remember that. It's not about bearish, bullish. It's about making money. That's so important because if you have a bias, you can get burned. And I'm just going to leave it with that. Tradingwars.com is the place to be. Please comment, like, subscribe. I'm going to go ahead and post the free picks. Make sure you subscribe. Take care.